I'm Donna from Magic Home, and welcome to our fall drink series where I walk you through simple recipes for your favorite cozy beverages. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make your own delicious pumpkin spice latte.
All you need to get started are maple syrup, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice mix, your milk of choice, and half a cup of brewed coffee or 1 to 2 espresso shots per latte. There's also the option to top things off with whipped cream. We'll be making our recipe for 2 so you can share with a friend. Begin by grabbing a pot and placing it over medium heat. Then, add in a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Take a wooden spoon or whisk and stir the ingredients together. Once they've been mixed well, add in 1 cup of your milk of choice.
I'm using my favorite, oat milk.
Then, add in 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice mix. Stir all the ingredients together, ensuring you warm everything evenly, but don't bring to a boil. Once warm, turn off your heat and add in your coffee or espresso shots. At this point, I taste the latte to see if it needs more sweetness. If so, you can add in a bit more maple syrup until it's just right. Finally, pour it into your favorite mug and feel free to top with whipped cream and garnish with a generous sprinkle of pumpkin spice.
And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've made your own pumpkin spice latte.
Stay tuned for our next episode of our fall drink series. Coming soon!